Welcome to my channel if you're new, or welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do some fun construction truck birthday party decorations. If you have a child or you know one that wants a construction birthday, this will be some great inspiration for you to help get you started. And here's a construction birthday kit, and it had some banners and balloons inside. And we're going to go ahead and get started with stringing our banners. Some of the banners don't come together, you have to string them yourself, but you're just taking the little needle that they give you and putting the string through each hole. And so let's go ahead and get that done. Now that we have the banners ready, we're going to go ahead and get started blowing up some balloons. And I thought these construction truck balloons were really cool, and we're going to go ahead and add some regular balloons. Okay, once we have our balloons all blown up, now it's time to add our background curtain fringe. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be alerted every time I upload a new video on Fridays. Okay, it's time to go ahead and make our balloon border. We're just going to put tapes on the end of the balloon, and then one by one we're just going to tape them up on the backdrop across the top of the curtain fringe. Okay friends, now it's time to hang the banner up. I was hanging up the banner and realized that the birthday, you'll see a little bit later, it blended in with the backdrop, but that's okay because at the end I still like the final results, how it turned out. And now let's get ready to put some double-sided tape and hang up these construction truck balloons. We're going to go ahead now and add some more banners. And then we're going to go ahead and add these construction signs using some double-sided tape. And I did find these signs online for free. If you're interested in knowing where I got them from, just leave a comment below. Now I'm going to add the rest of the signs at the bottom underneath the banner. And here you have it, the final results for our construction party decorations. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and make sure you check out my birthday party decorations playlist, and have a real day.